Turning the knees in. And the heels go out. Second toe should be straight forward. Squatting as low as you can with the knees wide. Hold here for 15 seconds. Your ankle bone in the front, nice and high, you're on your outside edge. On the back foot, you're feeling your fourth and fifth toes, so your pinky toe and your fourth toe. Your heel is away in the back, and your knee in the back is slightly bent. After 15 seconds, you're gonna drop in, twisting 22.5 degrees towards your front leg. Your hand comes to the sternum, and your other hand is just passing the hip. You're gonna do 15 reps of these. Your front knee should also be swiveling out with the chest. After 15 reps, you're gonna hold this for 15 seconds neutral, holding straight. After 15 seconds, you're gonna drop in the other direction, 22.5 degrees. The chest is twisting the other way. Keep a nice tall spine, so we don't want you to collapse here. Dropping in 15 times. After 15 of those, you're gonna hold for 15 seconds, again neutral. And then you're gonna switch feet and do 15 calf pumps, pushing out. So as you can see, my ankle is going from in to out. So the heel is going away as I push off of my fourth and fifth toes. Feeling it right on my pinky toe. We're gonna do 15 of those. You wanna feel it all in your calf. And then once you do 15 of those, you're just gonna switch sides and do the other side. First holding for 15 seconds, neutral, and then going into your drop in, 22.5 degrees. Keep that front ankle bone nice and high, you're on your outside edge. Your heel is out in the back foot. As you rotate 15 times, you're gonna hold for 15 seconds. Your hips should be behind the ribs. And then you're gonna drop in 15 times this way and just repeat it. After 15, you're gonna do 15 calf pumps on the other side. Okay? And that's it.